Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now tap on System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Currently Used Keyboard, in my case Gboard. Over here, go into Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Now you can pick a photo by clicking on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboards to disable or enable them and tap on Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!